Hi guys, how are you? Enjoying? So now we are on a very interesting chapter. Now the name of the chapter is linear programming and we will be using a term for it, that is LPP. Okay, linear programming problems. Now before going for this part, whatever is written on the on the whiteboard, what we have done in the earlier classes, in class 10th, we have gone for the system of linear equations in the two variables and their applications from day to day problems. We have gone through many types of problems in class 10th, and then in class 11th we have gone through the inequalities. We have studied linear inequalities in two variables and representing on the number line and graphical solutions for the linear programming. In class 11th, what we have done it, we have gone through the process how to shade it. If it is linear inequality, means if it is less than or greater than, what to do with that one. If it is less than is equal to or greater than is equal to, then what we have to do it. And now in this chapter, linear programming, what we are going with some system of linear inequalities to solve some real life problems, and that real life problems will create a lot of interest in you. So in this chapter, what we are going to do for the linear programming, first of all, I will be just giving you a very nice introduction about the chapter. After that, we are having some terms. Now, linear programming problems and its mathematical formulation, some definition and concepts related to the linear programming problems. What type of terms we are going to use it, that I am going to tell you. Then formulation of linear programming problems, graphical method of solving LPP. LPP stands for linear programming problem. Now, graphical methods for solving LPP, or so called it as corner point method. Then areas of application of LPP. I told you that the examples, the questions which we are going to do it, that are with the real life problems. So the real life problems can be with manufacturing problem, diet problem, transportation problem, allocation problem, and in the allocation we can get blending problems, investment problems, advertising, media selection problem, means lot of problems are there. So when we are going with these real life problems, it will create a lot of interest in you.